everyone. Thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And today, I have everything out of the box already, just because the box is back here was damaged. I have my Stitch Fix. I did purchase an extra this month. And let me just peek here. You get your invoice in your envelope. I just want to see, this is Stitch Fix number 24. So in this envelope in your box, you have your bill, which I don't look at until I try on. You have your card that says, oh, hello, which I'll show you guys, not me, your style note, and then 5 spaces with the item in the middle as the item being what was sent to me with some style tips, which I look at try on, and the return mailer. So we'll put that over there. For those that don't know, and you can purchase add-ons, little extras when you give your style notes and things like that. So Stitch Fix is a fashion styling service. You can get it as often as you want or as least as you would like. Styling fee is $20 per box. It is credited back to you for anything that you keep, any purchases that you make. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. You get the prepaid USPS envelope. You have 3 days to decide what you're keeping, what you're sending back. You can always go on the website or on their app and request an extension for the time to be returned. I've done that lately. Just 3 days is not enough when you're filming like I am. So, and they're more than happy to extend it up to a point, and then you might have to actually email them. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. You do check out online. Give them as much feedback as possible. I don't want jeans. I don't want dresses. I don't want this. I love this. Send me that. Things like that. You're looking for wardrobe refresh. You want fall winter clothes. You want lightweight winter. And they will do their best to get them in your box. I think you get 5 items. And they have women, men's, and kids boxes, which is great. I have not. I'm going to save the extras for last. So let's get into the bundle. I see some tags flopping out there. I think maybe it might be just easier just to pull this out. And she always has to play right when I'm filming because she knows that she's now not the center of my attention. She cracks me up. Oh, this is nice. This is by 18. And let's see what this says. This is the Ainsley crew neck pullover gray medium. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. Scoop neck. Long sleeves, ribbing at the end, very soft, lightweight, just your typical, you know, lightweight sweater, a little bit of ribbing at the bottom, but I don't think anything drastic. That's pretty. I do like that a lot. Could be in trouble here with this one. This is from Pink Clover, and this is, and I'll give you a pricing when I try on. This is the Pink Clover Longoria Whip Stitch Detail Brush Knit Top in gray, medium petite. Oh, that's really cute too. And the whip stitching is around the scoop neck and around the collar. Oh, and around the sleeve. Oh, this is really, and this is very lightweight. I did say I want lightweight winter, fall and winter clothes. Very nice. Straight down, a little bit of a rounded hemline there with a pocket, I see, on the front. Okay, like that too. Uh-oh. Rachel. Let's see, the next one is from Letty and Me, and this is a medium, and this is the Azalea Keyhole Pointel Detail Sweater Burgundy. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not sure. You're seeing the front first, not me. So this is like a lace, faux lace V-neck there with a little bit of detail off to your side of your shoulder, your chest there. Long, it's probably 3/4, but probably long on me, or maybe a long sleeve. Oh, and the hemline, I see some lace in the front, is longer in the front and shorter in the back, and it should be the other way around, you would think. But the lace detailing is just, or the embroidery seems like it's just towards the bottom in the front. Let me see what this looks like. And this has got, like the burgundy and black, it looks like. That's adorable, too. Ooh, I think I am in trouble. Okay, let's see what these are. These are bottoms brought by BBJ Los Angeles. These are a jogger. Black, yes, black. Maddie utility jogger. Let's get some tags out of the way. Where's the back? These are a large, so we'll see. They might be fine. No, that's not the back. That's the front. I thought I had the front. Okay, so this is the front. There's stretch. There is a little faux tie there. Are there pockets? Yes, there's little slash pockets. You know, nice knit material. Oh, there's like actually pockets here. Are they functioning? Yes. And then the jogger comes down here. These are nice. Back is just plain, no pockets on the back. Okay, that's not bad either. Could be trouble. And then I've been looking for another vest for the fall and winter because I don't always like to wear a super heavy coat. And this one's not going to cut it. This is, I mean, this could be very warm, but it seems like it's very lightweight. Where is the, let's unzip this. This is marketed in spruce. Let me find all the tags here. Larson packable vest, blue, a size medium. So that's that. I don't, it might be okay. I don't know. Sometimes an outer vest with something bulky, I might want a large. Are there pockets? Yes, there are zippered pockets in the front, which is nice. Let me just see how they zip. I saw something in here that I don't know what it is. Let me see if I can figure out what it is. Oh, and then here's the packable bag that's attached. I guess you can fold it up and stick it in this cute little bag, and that's not a bad idea, especially if you are packing to take it somewhere. So this might be warm. I don't know. I don't need anything super warm, but my other one has a Sherpa lining in it, which is very, very nice. And then let me show you the extras, which as long as I like them, I definitely will keep these. So these are the extras right here. And the tag says extra comfort, extra support, extra nice, Stitch Fix. And so I'm not sure, I won't open them in case these are the 2-layer fabric masks. And there's, I think, 3 of them in here, 3-pack mask, and these are in the blush. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these or not, made in the USA. I just saw them and thought, let me give them a try. I like when the nose has the gripper so that it stays nice. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those or not, but you never know. So give me just a moment and we'll be back with the try-on portion. Okay, I have the first 2 items on. I have the, they're called Boom Boom Jeans Maddie Utility Joggers. Get the price for you. Joggers, $38. These are not bad at all for $38. Cute little pockets. They're a little long, but a lot of times I'm just wearing joggers around the house. I have plenty of room in them. There's good stretch, so it's not like, you know, but the lengthwise, I think they would be fine for me at a great price. This top I'm not a fan of, and this is the Letty and Me Azalea Keyhole Pointail Detail Sweater. Burgundy size medium, $42. The sleeves are 3/4 even on me, which would be fine. This is okay. It's just very clingy, and the front is longer than the back. To me, I would rather the back longer than the front. It's cute, but it's a little too form-fitting and just not me. It's a great color, especially for fall and winter, but not something that I would wear. So I will keep the joggers on, and let's move on to the next step. Okay, I have the next sweater on. This is from Pink Clover. This is the Longoria Whip Stitch Detail Brush Knit Top. And the price is, who did I say made that? Letty, no. Pink Clover. Gray, medium, petite, $40. I don't think a bad price. I think the fit is good. Sleeves are slightly still a little bit long, but I'm okay with that. But the shoulder fits perfect. It's comfortable. It's lightweight. I feel like there's nothing on, which is nice. It does come up on the side, which I didn't realize with the scoop. I think this is perfect. I think it fits nice. The pocket I could do without, but I'm fine with. I don't think it's overly clinging to areas that you don't want it to cling to. So this is definitely a cute top for the winter and the fall, and even you can continue to wear this into the spring. So let me try on the next one. This is a possibility. Okay, I have the last sweater on, and this is 818, I'm sorry, I said that wrong earlier. Ainsley crew neck pullover, gray, medium, $44. The sleeves are fine. I think it's a little too form-fit in here, a little too small This is a medium. In order for this to fit and fit comfortably, this would have to be a large, which I don't have a problem with. I'm not hung up on the size. If a large fits me better, it fits me better. And I can cuff the sleeve. Still looks fine because there's gray, but a lot of times I don't. I don't mind if it comes down on my hand a little bit, or you can just, you know, zhuzh it up on your arm a little bit. Very comfortable crew neck. Fits, like I said, fits nicely. Just would have to be a little bit looser for me. So large is a possibility if they do have it. So the vest is the last thing, and that's Market and Spruce. The Larson packable vest in blue, and it's a medium. It's $68, and I'll try that on now with this top, just to see how this is. Like I said, I usually prefer my vests to be slightly larger, just because you're wearing bulkier items underneath. So this would have, and I can still get it to zip. It's going to be tight. So this one would have to be, I think a large. Did I say medium? A large to be comfortable. But this is cute. I don't mind this. It's got a high neck that you can fold down or leave up if it's super cold out. And it's nice and lightweight, that it wouldn't be super hot. Like my other vest is Sherpa lined. It's warm, so that's olive. So I was looking for different colors. So this would have to go up a size. I like the pocket placement, and I like that it's packable, that you could crunch it up and put it in its own little bag. So this vest is nice. So $68, probably about fair priced. But obviously the medium is not going to work. So give me, you know what, rather than reset everything back up the other way, let's just do my final thoughts now. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, we're back for the recap. I was just real fast reading my note from Rachel, and she did send me this vest as a little bit of a splurge, but she told me it was real down fill, will keep you warm all season, and it's packable for maximum versatility. So it is cute. $68 is not the end of the world, but I wear the other one a lot when it's super cold out. So I was looking maybe for something different, and this is different from my other one. So maybe I'll send this vest back and tell her to keep an eye out, but I definitely love this color. So I'm going to say no to the vest. The top that I have on underneath, I'm going to say no to also because it needs to be a large. So this is from 818, $44, but really not a bad price at all. So, and the joggers, I still have them on. They're from Dictionary, it says on here, $38. That's not a bad price at all, and they're very comfy. This sweater here, I think is going to go back here. And this is by Letty and Me, the Azalea Keyhole Pointail Detail, burgundy medium, $42. A little snug fitting and not really me. This is the one that I'm leaning on keeping also, from Pink Clover. Longoria Whip Stitch Detail, gray, medium, petite, $40. I love this so much, and could definitely get lots of use out of that. So the toss-up for me is the joggers and this gray sweater. I think the other three items will go back, and I still haven't made up my mind on the face masks, and that is separate from, you know, my normal order, because that was an extra. As long as I don't open them, I can return them, but the minute I open them, they're mine, and they're $24 for the three masks, which is really not all that bad. So that's the try-on portion, and what I'm thinking, the joggers and this gray sweater. Let me know what you think, and I appreciate you all sticking till the end and through the try-on with me. I hope you're all doing well, and looking forward to, we're approaching Halloween. I can't believe it's already, you know, mid-October, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.